of theory of IAM. So can I proceed with practicals?
Yes.
Yes.
So in labs, what are we going to do? First lab, how to create AWS free account. We already know, we all have created AWS account, right?
Yes.
Second is
Yes.
how to see AWS all account information. I have shown the console, the services, the region, how to see the billing, right?
Mm.
Yes.
Yes.
Now the third lab is how to create IAM group, users and apply policies for these teams. So first we'll see how to create users, then how to enable MFA on that users to protect from hackers, how to reset password,
2.5.
and how to give permissions for existing users to access programmatic access. So what we are going to do in labs of IAM, we are going to create users, we are going to create groups, we are going to apply policies, we are going to assign MFA, and we are going to reset the password. We are going to see how to reset the password and how to give programmatic access to the users. Is it clear? So today we are going to see how to create users. Please write steps everyone. First, you need to log in to AWS account. First, you need to log into AWS account. You can see this console. The first thing is in the search bar. Here in the search bar, you need to type IAM service. Please
Ma'am, I'm
write
not
steps
seeing my
everyone.
console.
Ma'am.
I'm not seeing the console.
Yes. Sorry, my
I'm
voice is
not seeing
breaking.
the. Yeah, I said I'm not seeing the console.
Everyone, please mute your mic and can you hear me now? Clearly, is my voice clear? Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So please write steps, everyone. First, in the search bar, we are going to type IAM. So when you type IAM, you can see the service of IAM here. You need to click.
For
You need to
login, we
click
have to use
IAM.
Robert only, na, ma'am?
Sorry?
Root users only we have to use now.
Yes. You need to use a root user. You are a root user. You have all access of all 200 plus services. Root user, that means you are going to create IAM users. So now how to create IAM user? By using the service IAM service. So first we will be going to IAM service. Then here you can see the dashboard of IAM. This is the dashboard of IAM. How many components of IAM? 4.
Users.
User groups, users, roles and policies.
Policies.
So if I want to create users, so I need to select users here. You can see this orange color here, create user.
Yes.
Yes. So if you want to create users, you need to go to users. If you want to create groups, you need to go to groups. If you want to create roles, you need to go to roles. And if you want to create policies, you need to go to policies. So first, what we are doing, the first thing is we are going to create users and we are going to attach policy. For example, now I'm going to create a user. First, I need to select users. Then I need to click create user. Please write steps, everyone. Then I need to give the name. For example, here I'm giving Diksha. By this name, I will be creating an IAM account. So this is the username. Username is Diksha. The second option here is provide user access to the AWS management console. If I select this, I'm providing the access of console, AWS console access. There are two user access, right? One is console
Yes,
access
yes.
and other is
Automatic
programmatic access.
access.
So first we are learning how to give console access. For that, you need to select. You need to select this. This is the second step. The third step is user type. I want to create an IAM user, right?
Yes.
So select I want to create an IAM user. Then the username is Diksha. Now you want to give the password for Diksha. So there are two options. You can either select auto-generated password, which is created by AWS, the strong password, or you can give custom password. Custom password is the password which you create.
You
If you are
create.
good at
Yeah.
creating the passwords, you can go
Mm.
with custom password. So I'm not good at creating passwords. I'm going with auto-generated, and auto-generated is recommended because it will be the strong password created by AWS. And here you can see user must create a new password at next sign in. After creating the user Diksha and after creating her password, when she log in with this username and password, how many users will know this password?
Only one. Only
No,
him. No,
two users.
two. Two. The root, I think,
Yes,
user
Root
and
user.
me and
and
Diksha.
the
Uh,
IN. Yeah.
Mm.
yes, two users gonna know the password, right? So
Yeah.
if I select this option, user must create a new password at next sign in. So Diksha can change her password while signing in
Okay.
so that the password will be known only by her.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah.
If we don't choose this, even root user gonna know the password because root user created the user, so he'll know the password. But if I select this, she can change the password in the next sign in. It is recommended because now Diksha has done something. I have created an account for Diksha. Diksha has done something and I got a bill of 5,000. Now
Oh.
Diksha is saying, no, root user have done this. She have done some malicious activity there and she have said that the root user have done this. So to avoid this, because root user also know the password, right?
Mm.
So
Mm.
to avoid this conflicts, if I give this option, only she will know the password. She can change the password, and she can use that account. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
The one which is clicked at the end, user must create a new password.
Yes.
Okay.
So there are four options here. First, you need to give the username. Second is to provide management console access. Third is you need to select I want to create an IAM user. Fourth is auto-generated password. And fifth is user must create a new password at next sign in. It's her choice. No, it's our root user's choice. If I want to deselect this, I can. Now next. In next, here you can see the permission options. There are three permissions. Add users to group or copy permissions or attach policies directly. So because first we are going to learn how to create users, we'll select attach policies directly. So
Ma'am,
now
can you
to
repeat that?
teach,
We were at the page of creating a user.
yes, I was in the page of creating the user. Then I have selected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options here, right?
Okay. Then you click
Then
next.
next. When I click to next, I'll get this page of set permissions.
Do we do the same thing here?
Yes. Yes, you need to do the same thing. Here you need to select attach policies. Now to Diksha, I'm giving the policy of EC2 full access. I need to type here. Here you can see Amazon EC2 full access. Select, scroll down, just next. What you need to do in set permissions in this steps is step 2. You need to select attach policies. Select any policy. I'm giving the policy of EC2 full access. Scroll down and next. Here you can see the review of the user. The name of the user is Diksha. The console password type is auto-generated. And the required password reset. Yes, you can reset the password at next sign in. How many permissions I have given to Diksha? One is easy to full access and other is to change password, to reset the password, right?
Yes.
Now, as soon as I create user here, as soon as I click to create user, I'll get the details of console sign in. What I need to do, I can either download CSV file. If you download CSV file, it will be downloaded on your desktop. Else, I can copy URL, username and password in WordPad or Notepad. This is the URL. Copy the username and password. You know how to copy and paste? Control C, Control V.
Yes.
Yes.
Control plus C is to
Copy.
copy and
Control
Control
P is for paste.
V. Yes, Control plus V is to paste. So you need to copy and paste 3 things. That is URL, username and password. Now, after you have created, the cloud engineer's work is done. Cloud engineer created the user and he have given the access of console. So now he'll pass these credentials. He'll cloud engineer gonna pass these credentials, that is URL, username and password, to Diksha through email or WhatsApp or anything. Okay. Now what Diksha does, she'll copy the URL. You need to copy on. You need to copy. You will not get the sign in details again. So as soon as you click create user, you need to copy and paste or download CSV file. View user. Now done. I have created the user. Now I want to cross check like user is created or not. So I have given these credentials to Diksha now. So I am Diksha. Now I am Diksha. What I need to do? Root user have given the URL ID and password to me. Now I'll open the incognito window. Do you all know what is incognito window?
Yes.
Yes.
No,
So
please.
No, can you please?
Can you tell me?
if you search anything here in the normal window, you will get the history here down. Like I have searched this, you will get the history. But in incognito window, you will not get the history. Caching will not be done. Just one time if you search, it will be gone next time. So it's a private kind of a window. So open incognito, paste the URL. After pasting the URL, you will get the page. Can you see the page of IAM user with account ID, username and password?
Yes.
How did I get this?
Through
With the
URL.
Yes. So I need to copy and paste the URL. Then copy the name. Copy the name, then copy the password, paste the password. So first you need to, in incognito window, you need to paste the URL. Then you will get this page. Here you need to copy and paste the username and password. Now sign in. What is it showing?
All
To change the
transferring.
password, to reset the password. Why? Because we have given the permission to reset the password, right?
Yes.
So now first Diksha needs to type the old password and new password. She can reset the new password. Can anyone say any password? Because I'm very bad at passwords. Okay, wait. Diksha at 123. Diksha at 123. Let's see. Okay, so I have changed the reset the password now. I am login as a IAM user. Can you see Diksha, the name here, account name, IAM username,
Yes. Yes.
account ID,
Yes.
which permission I have given to Diksha?
EC2.
Yes.
EC2 full app.
Let's check. Can she use EC2 or not? I have given only one permission among 200 plus permissions. You will be going to learn this in detail later. Just for cross check, I'm using this. Yes, she can use EC2 service. She can, you can see the server is running. That means she has successfully launched the server. So EC2, yes, we have given the EC2 service to her and it's working. Now let's see, can she can she use different service, the another service? Let's
No.
see S3. Let's go to S3. In S3 service, you need to create buckets. Let's see. While I click to create bucket, and what it's showing, fail to create bucket. Can you read this?
Permission is
Yeah.
required.
Yes. Why? Because she don't have access of this permission, because we have given her the access of only one permission, one policy, that is EC2. So she can use only that one service. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
she can log out, sign out. She can do work on that one service. So this is how the company will work. This is how we root user cloud engineer gonna create the users for the companies in different departments. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Can
Um,
you all
yes,
create users now?
halfway, I lost everything. Halfway,
Sorry.
I lost
Even
it.
I.
Halfway, I lost everything. After you told me to go next from creating where the EC2 thing, I've lost you there.
Okay, no worries. I have just cross-checked.
If you
I
don't
have
mind, can
the
you please repeat
steps.
once again so that we can be
Yes.
capturing because you're going too faster.
Okay. No, I have just checked, or how to check. I have shown how to cross-check. So first, you need to go to users.
After we are going for IM, right? Searching,
Yes,
we'll get this
yes.
page.
Create user. Okay.
Just a second. So So this is the step to create user. First,
Thank you so much.
you need to go to IAM service. How? In the search bar, you need to type IAM.
Okay.
Then you will get the dashboard.
Okay.
In the left side, you need to select users.
Okay.
When you select users, the right side, you will have the option of create user. You need to select, click that. When you click, you need to give the username. Then you need to select the console access.
Okay.
Then you need to select IAM user. I want to create IAM user. You need to select this. Then you
Okay.
need to auto generate the password. Then you need to select reset. Yes, I select reset at next sign in. This is optional. Then select attach policies and attach any policy that is EC2 and create the user. As soon as you create the user, you will get the credentials, the sign-in details. You need to copy and paste that in Notepad, or you can download the CSV file. In that credentials, what you will get? URL, username, and password. Now, you need to copy this URL. You need to give these credentials to that particular user. In companies, you need to give these credentials. Then the user, they can open the account with this URL. Then they can give the credential of username and password, and they can use the account. Please write these steps. Do you want me to show it again?
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am,
sure.
please.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
how to recheck that the user has been created.
Okay.
If you're going, please go from the first only now so that we can just understand once again.
So as soon as you log in, you will see this console. I'm going very slow. Please write some steps.
Okay.
In search, which service we are using first?
IAM.
So
I
what I
am.
need to type in search?
IAM.
Yes.
am.
When you type IAM, you can see the service here. You need to click.
Okay.
When you click to that IAM service, you will be in the dashboard of IAM. This is the dashboard of IAM. Now,
Okay.
can you see the components of IAM here?
Users. We have to.
Users, user groups, roles, and policies, right? Our
Yes.
first lab is how to create user.
Users.
So select
Okay.
users from left side. Select user. When you select users, you can see I have created Diksha user. I want to create one more user. So how can I create this orange box? You can see the orange box.
Yes.
What it's written, create user,
Create
right?
user.
You need to click. As soon as you click to create user, you need to fill some details. Username. So if I want to give the username as Fatima, because I want to create the user account, IAM account for Fatima. So the name of the user will be Fatima. And I want to give access of console to her. So what I need to do? I need to
Check mark that.
select this. So what I'm doing, I'm giving the name of the user, then I'm selecting management console, provide access of management console to Fatima. There are two types of access, right? Programmatic and console access.
Cancel.
First, we are
Yeah.
learning console access. So you need to select this. Then the third step here is user type, specify a user in identity center, or I want to create an IAM user. What
I
we
want
are
to create.
creating now, IAM user. So you need to select IAM user. Then we have given the name, username. Now we need password, right? So
Yes.
there are two options, auto generated or custom. Auto-generated is which is created by
Okay.
Amazon, AWS.
Amazon.
Custom password is which we are going to create. So I'm bad at passwords. So I want to select auto-generated.
Auto-generated.
So AWS will create the strong password by itself. Then the next step is users must create a new password at next sign in. So when this user Fatima will sign in with these credentials, she will get the option of reset the password. If I select this, so if you want to give the option to change the password, then you can select this. It's recommended in real time in companies. You should give this change
So for
password
now,
option.
we have to tick this.
Yes, it's optional. If you want, you
Okay.
can take. If you don't want, you cannot. So,
Okay.
understood this details. First, you need to give the username. You need to select provide management console access.
Console.
Third is auto-generated password.
Password.
Then
And then
you need to select this. User must create a new password at next sign in. Now, next. Can I proceed?
Yes.
yes. No.
Yes.
Have you all written the points?
Yes.
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 So now, next. Click next. When you click next, you will get the option of set permissions. Here there are three options, three permission options. Add user to group, or copy permissions, or attach policies directly. So now this Fatima wants the access of the permission was the service S3. So what I need to do, I need to select
Attach
attach
policies.
policies directly. When you select attach policies directly, you will get all the permission policies here, which is predefined policies managed by AWS. So here I want to give the permission or policy of S3 to Fatima. So I need to type here
Yes.
S3. Can you see
Okay.
here Amazon S3 full access?
Yes.
Select, scroll down, next. In this step, you can see the review, the details. The name of the user is Fatima. Console password type is auto-generated. Require password reset? Yes. And how many permissions I have given to Fatima?
2.
Two permissions. One is S3 full access and other is to change, reset the password.
Yes.
Now scroll down, create user. As soon as you click to create user, you will get the sign-in details here. You can download CSV file. You can download CSV file or you can copy and paste in WordPad. This is the URL. I have copied the URL and pasted.
Okay.
Now copy the username and paste. And copy the password and paste.
Okay.
Okay, these are the sign-in details. What are they? URL, username, and password. So now Cloud Engineer's work is done. You need to pass these credentials to Fatima through email or through WhatsApp or through Facebook or through Instagram. Your wish. You can pass these credentials. You need to pass these credentials to Fatima. Now, what Fatima does, she will log in with this URL and username and password. You can see this sign-in details only once. So just you need to copy and paste it very fast. Again, it will not show the password. If we download CSV file, if we open, For CSV file, you need Excel. So here you can see the username, password, and console sign in. From here also you can copy and paste it. Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
So copying is difficult in Excel. That's why I have copied in WordPad. So copy the URL and open incognito, paste here, copy the URL, paste. When you paste the URL, you will get the page of IAM user to log in. Can you see?
Yes.
So here what you need to type?
IAM
Username and
username
password.
and password.
Copy the username and password and paste there. Sign in. She's getting, Fatima will get the option of reset password. So how she can reset the password? First she need to
By
give the
putting the
old
old
password.
password and the new password, and retyping the new password.
Can you see the console? We have given the console access to Fatima, right?
Yes.
So this is the console access. Console access for Fatima. And you can see the name here, account ID. She's the IAM user. Why IAM user? Because root user gonna create IAM user. I have created Fatima. Now which permission I have given?
S3.
3.
So where I need
S3
to type S3?
Search button.
Yes,
in the search.
S3. When I type S3, can you see S3 here? Select.
Yeah.
Just try to create a bucket. In we will be going to learn this in detail, but for now, just to cross check, create bucket. Bucket name should be unique.
Correct. The name. Okay.
I'm able to create bucket, right? Here
Yes.
can you see? So Fatima have access of S3. Yes,
Yes.
we have cross checked. Now can we we'll see she have access of EC2 or not. Can she use EC2? Let's go to EC2. Try to launch a server. You can see the error. But let's try to use EC2 service. No. Please refresh to try again. An error. Can you see the error?
Yes.
So she cannot use EC2. Only she can use S3 because we have given the permission of S3.
Yes.
Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Sure?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. When I'm attaching the policy, the other window is opening, which I have shared in the group. I don't know what's the problem.
Another window is opening. Oh, this is
Like this, it's
Parisa.
opening. Yeah,
Okay, just a second.
automatically it's opening this page.
Amazon EC2 full access. Why? Because see, the policies, you need to select this. Here you need to select.
Yeah, I have selected
You have
EC2 and
selected
full
this.
access. Yes, after selecting this.
You need to
This window
select
pop.
this. If you select
Yeah,
this, you will get this page, another page. So you should
it's
select
correct only.
yes
Oh,
in the round. In the round,
in the round.
you should not click to this link. For
Okay.
example, it's EC2, right?
Yeah,
If it's
it's
EC2
it.
full access. So what you have done is you have selected this EC2 full access full link. Like you have selected this link.
Oh,
That's why you
yeah,
are getting this page.
yeah.
You should not select the link. You need to
Mm-hmm.
select the round on the left side. This. Can you see the screen?
Okay. Yes, yes,
You
yes.
need
The
to
round one.
select this.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, got it.
Sure.
Yeah, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Can you all create the user now with your
Yes.
own names?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Trying, ma'am.
Okay.
Mom, I can't hear anything.
Sorry,
No, nothing. I thought, I couldn't hear anything.
because I'm not saying anything.
Yeah. Okay.
She's giving us the time to do.
Yeah. So this is the steps. Please write the steps as well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have created one account. For old, I have to type old password. Then I have to create my
Give
new
the new
password.
password. Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And send a screenshot in group. Everyone.
I will do tomorrow.
You do it later because yesterday only you have created the account, right? So it will take 24 hours to activate. So you just write the steps. When your account is activated, please try to create the user with these steps. You have understood the
Ma'am,
class, right?
yes. Ma'am, I
Please
too
write the
created the group, but it's showing you didn't finish the sign up process.
maybe because your payment is not transacted. That's why your account is not
I tried
created
with
yet.
the two cards, ma'am. Actually, my card is at my in laws. I'm at my mom's place. Whenever I go there, I'll just take it.
Okay. So if your payment is not transacted, then it will show complete the
Yes,
sign up.
yes, I tried with two cards, but these are not permitting the international cards.
So you need to enable international transaction in the account of the bank.
Yes, I tried
You have
doing that also, but it didn't took.
really?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. With two cards you have tried?
Yes, one is the IOB, Indian Overseas Bank, and another was I don't know the name.
The bank should be, the debit card should be either Visa or Rupee or you.
I'll try once again, ma'am. If not, I'll use my card. Okay.
Okay. See, your account should be, your debit card should be either a Master, Visa, or Rupee. Only these cards will be accepted. Debit card or credit card, either Master, Visa, or Rupee. And you need to enable international transaction. Diksha, very good. And Nargis.
Yes, it's me. I'm here only.
Okay. Create users. We have given the screenshot of policies.
Okay.
And with captions, you need to write created user like that.
No, it's showing me like it was showing you like one, two quantities. Now it's showing me only 000.
Zero, where? Can you present your screen?
Give me a moment. One second.
Farheen, Farah Yasmin, Faria, Abeda Khatun, Sabah Tabassum, Naila, Sumaya, everyone.
I'm
Yes,
getting
yes.
zero as well. I don't know what's.
Ma'am, according
Currently, my
to
laptop is not working, so I'm waiting for that.
okay.
Yeah.
So once your laptop is
Yes.
started working, just please.
Sure, definitely.
Okay. Scroll up. Scroll up. Here. Yes. It's right. Just you need to scroll down. Yes, you have selected Amazon easy to full access. Now scroll down. Scroll down. Next.
Sorry?
Next. Click next.
Yeah, done.
That's it.
Thank you.
Okay. So
Okay.
Nargis, you can stop presenting now. Others, any doubts?
Yeah. Ma'am, I don't
Abeda,
know
very good.
what I'm getting here. I'll show you.
Yes, present your screens, Maya.
Okay. Mm,
Now, I can't see like that. Can you present your screen?
Just how do